How to. First-time registration for credit card services. Community First is always looking for ways to improve our online and mobile banking experience for members. We're excited to launch a new experience for credit card holders. Members currently enrolled in our card services app will need to link their account to access these new features. Let's review these steps. Step 1. Log into online or mobile banking. Step 2. From the home screen, select your credit card. Step 3. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Click Next. Step 4. Enter the personal information for the primary cardholder. This includes the last 4 digits of the social, date of birth, and the zip code associated with the card. Click Next. Step 5. Choose an existing user profile. This will be the email address you have associated with your card services app. You will also have the option to create a new profile with a different email address. Click Next. Step 6. For security purposes, you will be prompted to receive a one-time passcode via text message. Enter the 6-digit code and then click Next. Step 7. A pop-up will appear confirming you've been enrolled. Click OK to go to your account summary page.